Hi, my name is Scott Santella, and I'm a local internet specialist right here on the Central Coast of California. And I'm here to talk to you about local search. What that means is, how many people are going online right now to look for your business and your services right in your own backyard? Well, statistics show 67% of online searches are done with local intent. In other words, they're looking for a local business for them to do business with. My question is, how well do you come up on those services? Now, 9 out of 10 times I ask business owners, I ask them, well, how well do you come up in a search? And I hear this all the time. I come up every time. I come up on the first page. Well, you know what? If I type your name in verbatim, you better come up on the first page. But here's the question. If I type in your services, your products, do you come up then without typing your name in? If that's the case, you definitely need my services. So all I'm asking is for you to give me a call. I can be reached at 406-9942, and that is an 805 area code. That's 805-406-9942. Once again, can your business be found?